So 1 and 2 person LLCs are the primary target of this law. So do not assume that you are too small for this. That is how shell corporations operate. They tend to be small. And so the purpose being to stop those, you want to be careful and not assume that this doesn't apply to you. I do also want to say, because LLC addresses are public information, I believe this makes it so that there are a lot of companies that just scan, they probably just scrape with a bot all the addresses of LLCs from Secretary of States, and they send out letters, that are very scary. They look like IRS documents. They look like they're bills. Like I said, this wonderful person in my audience sent me 2, not 1, but 2 examples of scam letters that she received asking for a fee. And they look very, very official. But they're not real. So beware that you may get letters in the mail asking for you to pay a fee or put your social security number, and you do not want to do that. Be careful to go directly to the FinCEN BOI report URL yourself. Don't click any other links. Okay. All right. So those are the basics for this new Corporate Transparency Act, the new rules for LLCs.